Hi, this is Litre Toyota Parts Pro. Today for 2023 Toyota HiLux, stock number 7244. It's running from the 6 2020 to current shape. There's a 1GD 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 1GD 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard, 2 dents, left front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, center console, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, rear front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke on the steering wheel, instrument cluster.